Have you ever wondered how a simple piece of paper can turn into a beautiful bird, a delicate flower, or even an intricate dragon? Welcome to the enchanting world of origami, an ancient Japanese art that magically transforms plain paper into stunning shapes. With just a few folds, creases, and bends, a two-dimensional square sheet evolves into a three-dimensional masterpiece. It's all about creativity, patience, and the joy of seeing an ordinary piece of paper come alive. Today, you'll learn how to create your very own origami masterpiece. Before we start, know this: origami requires patience, precision, and a little bit of creativity. Now, let's get down to the basics. First things first, a square piece of paper is your canvas for creating origami magic. It's important because all the angles and sides are equal, giving you a perfect starting point for your folds. Speaking of folds, there are two basic ones you'll need to master. The mountain fold, which is like a peak of a mountain, pointing up towards the sky, and the valley fold, which dips down like a valley nestled between mountains. These folds are the building blocks of origami. Now, let's give them a try. For the mountain fold, fold your paper in half diagonally to make a triangle. Unfold it to reveal a line running from corner to corner. That's your mountain. For the valley, fold the paper in half again, this time the other way. Unfold to reveal a valley. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try these folds a couple of times until you feel comfortable. Now that you've mastered the basic folds, you're ready to create your first origami, a classic paper crane. We begin with a square piece of paper. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can always make a square out of a rectangle by folding one corner to the opposite side and cutting off the excess. Our first step is to fold the square in half, creating a rectangle. Open it up, rotate it, and fold it in half again. You should now have a cross in the center of your paper. Next, fold the paper diagonally on both sides so that you have an X intersecting the cross. When you open it up, you should see a starburst pattern. Now, here comes the slightly tricky part. You'll want to take the corners of the paper and fold them into the center, creating a smaller square. Remember, neat folds are important. Take your time and make sure each fold is as precise as possible. Patience is key in origami. Fold the smaller square diagonally, then unfold it. Now, fold the top layer of paper upwards and repeat this on the other side. After a few more folds, you'll see your crane start to take shape. The final step is to gently pull the wings apart. And there you have it. And voila, you've crafted your very first origami paper crane. Isn't that an amazing transformation? With origami, a simple piece of paper can become a source of joy and creativity. Just like we folded a paper crane, there are countless other designs waiting to be discovered. The joy of origami lies in exploration. Remember, each paper holds a world of possibilities. Happy folding!